Hey guys, and welcome to a brief overview of what our school is all about. So let's go a deep dive into the page. Here is where people can make posts, whether that's questions or whether they're doing discoveries or they have particular requests. You can post it here and we can have discussions. So for example, one of our students here has given a recommendation on how to import RAM variables using Ghidra in Ghidra. Gone and actually done the script themselves, so I've added that to one of the courses. And we might have just some general information, some really cool things like different posts about research, about vehicle hacking, all those sorts of things, people looking for particular files, all of that can be shared with our students. Obviously, we have our classroom. In our classroom is a sample of all of the courses we do on the tuning and reverse engineering school. So we've got things like Simos 18 multi-mapping, intro to reverse engineering. We've got things like WinOLS basics, learning about unified diagnostic services with Toyotas, learning about dual clutch tuning, thermal management, all sorts of things. Stage 1, Stage 2, Volkswagen Audi Group stuff, how to do crackles, making map packs, how to use the tuning calculator. We've got a lot of different things, and we're constantly courses to school every week and or couple of weeks, so you're more than welcome to go through here. We've even got some very cool things like tuner protection, like going through how manufacturers have added in tuner protection or TPROT to limit power and torque in particular ECUs, so you'll learn about how that works and how to calibrate it. So there's a lot of stuff going on here. If it's interesting to you and you're looking to join, feel free to send us a WhatsApp message on our support WhatsApp and get through anything that you need. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy and looking forward to seeing you soon.